Ngithi lali lale. Lali lale.
Hello everyone, hope right. Hope sokulakho luhamba kahle. So today sizobuka ulwandle nkulu ekhetha between iGucci or iParis. In an interview nake bambuzile ukuthi wena iyiphi ingoma eyibhenga kakhulu between iGucci neParis. Wachaza-ke uGiel ukuthi ayinayo imini ingoma engiyikhethayo because 1 2 3. Khuleka ngizokudlalela leyo video manje. Ngiyacela ukuthi subscribe ukuthi uyaqala ukufika lana ukuze phela ungaphuthelwa ama-video afana nalawo. Asambe-ke soyibuka-ke i-video ngingakumosheli isikhathi sakho.
So inspiration behind ingoma umnakwethu is definitely umnakwethu nendoda yami naye.
Okay.
No.
Sikonde kuyena siyokhuluma naye.
No, umnakwethu uyazi ukuthi uzovela. So yeah.
Okay, so some just one tricky question. Gucci or Paris?
Paris anytime.
Okay.
Paris.
day, all
Paris. But I'm not taking anything away from Gucci. Gucci is fire and I love Gucci. Ngithi lali lale. Lali lale. Ow.
Okay everyone, sivala lapho-ke i-video yanamhlanje sibeka unqi. I hope ukuthi enjoyile i-video. Mawuthi enjoyile ngiyacela ukuthi usmash leyo like button, uphinde phela usmash nalo subscribe button, and mina-ke I'll see you in the next video. Ungakhohlwa ukuyobuka amanye ama-video kule channel. Ngiyathemba ukuthi khona vele ozoyithanda for sure. Bye.